I'm going to show you a really quick way to make a vegan version of Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. So it only takes 4 ingredients. So first, brew your favorite coffee either in a French press or use your favorite K-cup. Next up, I like this almond hazelnut creamer. It's going to add some warmth and sweetness to the coffee. This I got at Whole Foods, but I have seen it at many grocery stores. It's made from coconut cream, so it's dairy-free, lactose-free, and it's actually a winner of an award. Surprisingly, it only has 2 grams of sugar for 4 tablespoons. And then the final thing that's really going to give it the flavor is the pumpkin pie spice. This is the organic one from Whole Foods. If you don't have this on hand, you might have what is in it to make it on your own, which is cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. My trick is just sprinkle some of the pumpkin spice right into the French press and then stir it up really well. And a good tip, you're supposed to stir the coffee really well so the water coats it so all the oils get into the flavor. I usually just stir it with a chopstick just because you're not supposed to use metal, it might scrape the glass. And then let it brew for about 4 minutes in the French press. My coffee frother broke, so I'm just gonna throw this in the Vitamix just to froth it up and make it super creamy. Once it's frothed up, just pour it in a cup. Add the whipped cream. And top with the pumpkin spice.